What do you think as an industry, like with Adult Day, like what is maybe the headwinds we might be facing, or what are some of the problems you think Adult Day faces into the future that may be holding it back?
I'm optimistic for the future of Adult Day. And I guess I'll start with some of the things I think that hold it back is people are just not aware of the services.
Yeah.
And so, and it's so different throughout the country of getting that information out. I think that as people become more aware of Adult Day and its benefits, it's going to grow because they all talk about home-based services and aging in place. Well, you want to make sure people are aging in the right place.
Right.
And I think Adult Day adds that piece that they can age at home and have that component of the Adult Day that allows them to stay at home longer.
Yeah.
I've met many people over the years that have said, oh, I wish I would have known about Adult Day. I would have been able to keep my mom home longer, or that would have been such a relief for my dad and had given him a break. So there's just so many benefits to Adult Day, and I think it's going to grow again as people learn all these benefits.
The awareness part. So how do we make people aware? What do we do?
I think you're doing an amazing job.
Well, I'm trying.
You are.
I'm
You're
trying.
doing the stuff that you put out on your videos is important, but as providers of Adult Day services, we really need to make sure our community is aware of that. And like I talked about in my presentation yesterday, of trying to build those community relationships and be a resource for your community.
Yeah, I feel like we need like ADC rock shirts or something like just
Yeah.
like shirts and hats and gear and like get everyone out there like rocking ADC,
Yeah.
So.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.